back to the channel, guys. In this video, it'll be a quick video. I'm just gonna change the puddle lights to the LED upgrade ones. I got them off these off eBay. They were, I think, about 7 quid, 8 quid. Like you've seen in the last short video, I upgraded the the brake lights to LED ones. They do look better. So I thought I'd do the puddle lights as well. I know I did say about, the next video will be a review on the Puma Speed Max Stage 2R remap, but I'm in the process of doing that. But yeah, in this video, it's a short video, I'm just installing these LED puddle lights on the car. I'll just show you how to install them. I watched a few things on how to get to the bulb. I thought you went underneath and pulled the plastic trim off, around the light to get to the bulb, but you don't. You have to take the actual mirror off. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do that now. So from what I've seen, you've got to push the mirror all the way in that way, or turn it all in that way, so you can get your fingers behind here, and then you have to slowly prise it off. So tuck your mirror in as far as you can this end, and then get your fingers behind here and prise it off. See, like that there. So right in the corner there, so you can get your fingers behind there, and you have to slowly pry it off. There you go, guys. I've just not too much force, but yeah, just pried it off, and it clips to that there. See on the back of there. So you have to pull it a bit, not too hard, because you've got to watch the wires. You don't pull the wires off. And the bulb is down there. So yeah, I'm gonna change that over now. So it's not too difficult, really. I'll just do the bulb anyway. Here's the standard puddle light bulb, not as bright. Quite dark really compared to the LED ones, so yeah, much better the LED ones. I'll show them you in the dark, well, once installed. But yeah, all you've got to do is put it all back together again and slowly clip on your mirror, but just be careful of yanking it, because it's got the electric wires there for your wing mirror. So yeah, probably about a 15-minute job. Right, so I've taken the puddle light off, which is it's held in by one screw, and a clip you've got to push in on this side. It should drop out the bottom. There's the plug socket. Took the new LED bulb in. So yeah. And when you've done it, you just put this back up there, and I'll test the LED bulb out shortly. Yeah, so I've just installed one LED bulb now. Just gonna test it out. There you go. It's quite bright, that. Yeah, definitely brighter. Yeah, so I've just clipped the mirror back on. When you're doing it, just spread your hand evenly so you don't break the glass. But yeah, it's all clipped back on, working, and the new puddle lights on. So yeah, much better in the dark, so I'll show you a clip in the dark as well, but yeah, definitely much brighter. I'll do the other side now. Yeah, so here's the LED puddle lights now in the dark. See how much brighter they are than the normal ones. Matching the LED side lights as well. Yeah, so chuffed with them. $7.99 I think they were. 15-minute job. So if you want to upgrade your own puddle lights to the LED bulbs, it's pretty simple. It's just about a 15-minute job. It cost me $7.99 for the lights on eBay. I'll leave the link to these bulbs in the video description. Yeah, it took 15 minutes. So yeah, it's, as you can see from the video and the photo clips, it's a massive difference. If you go to the normal bulbs, much brighter. So what's next for the car? As I said at the start of the video, I'm in the process of doing a stage 2 video, which is installed now on the car, which is I can tell you now, it's a massive difference. It's just transformed the car. But I'll leave my opinions on the stage 2 remap for when I do the video. I won't tell you too much, but it's definitely positive. Yeah, so after that video, I'll probably wrap the large bore downpipe in the 200L Sports Cat with titanium lava rocket exhaust wrap, which I found on a website for 50 quid, including the stainless steel tie wraps. And then I also might get my alloys repaired and done in and powder coated in gloss black, which I think will look quite nice. I might do a poll in the community section on the channel to see what your opinion would be. Would you get the alloys repaired and powder coated in the standard silver it is now, or would you get it repaired and powder coated in the gloss black? I'll probably put that post draw the poll up in the community section in the next couple of days. So if you think it's better in gloss black or standard silver, let us know. And yeah, if you haven't already checked out my friend's gaming channel, go and check out. If you're into your games, like PS5, FIFA and all that, just go and check his channel out. I think I've left a link in the video in the community section, sorry, on my channel. Yeah, so go and check it out if you're into your games. And I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications of videos. Thanks for watching.